My teaching philosophy is really hands-on. I totally see there's a time and a place for classroom education, and we have plenty of classroom education in my natural resource program. But where I get to see students thrive and really be able to grasp that classroom learning is outside. In natural resources, my students love the outdoors, and so we really try to get as much hands-on experiential learning as we can. We try to have them experience those things that we're talking about, and once they are able to experience that, it really connects and it sticks with them, and they remember it for the rest of their lives. Yeah, so right now we are raising for the first year, the Natural Resource Program at Snow College is raising 3,000 pheasants. This was a grant that I received through a sportsman's group, Sportsmen's for Fish and Wildlife, that the whole goal of this is to increase the opportunity for hunters and wildlife enthusiasts to be able to have access to more wild animals like pheasants. For me, the goal was that I have students that I really wanted to give them an opportunity to run a project from start to finish. We often get to do really cool things, hands-on things. We get to go with biologists and work on wildlife captures and releases and other things, but it's kind of a one-day event and then we move on. This project is one that really my students can do from start to finish. So I'm able to hire students that get to work with these pheasants. They've gotten to work with them since day one, and learning how to raise them. When they become sick, how do we make that better? How do we transfer them and not cause too much stress on them? All of those things, with also other hands-on skills that are helpful, like how to fix a water pump when our water pump's broken, and shuttling things with a trailer, and things that students maybe haven't experienced. It gives them those real life experiences. With that, I'm able to, since this is a project that's on campus, I'm able to include tons of students, and they're able to come and experience it, which is amazing for them to be able to do. So we get students each week that are able to come and work with the pheasants. We capture them and then we release them in areas that are known throughout the state for wildlife management areas. And then hunters are able to hunt those in the month of November. Yeah, so one thing I loved about this pheasant project is that my students as freshmen and sophomores can be very involved in it and be able to get a job in wildlife related activities. Usually this is graduate level type work. To be able to, you can, as a freshman, sophomore, in most places, you can learn about all of these things, but they save the actual, hands-on projects and experiments and research information or research studies on, like, at least seniors in college, mostly even master's degree type students. So for my students as freshmen and sophomores to come straight out of high school and be able to have an experience like this is pretty much the only place I know of in the state that allows that. One of the main things that I want to focus on with my students is to help them get jobs. That's why they're here. They're natural resource students. They want to work outside. They want to have a high quality job, well-paying job. And so to do that, a lot of times the hands-on experience is what students are lacking. They might get a bachelor's degree and not have a whole lot of experience in natural resources. And so for me, the number one goal is to give students experience that will help them in their future careers.